This man is about to deliver a bombshell.
So you're at a job. Okay, this is the 5-inch latch. So you get a call to go replace a broken lock. You get there, as you start walking towards the door, you realize something is different. It's one of those long 5-inch backsets. Now, the problem with the 5-inch backsets, or even the 3 3/4 inch, is that they're not common enough to always be properly prepared to deal with them, but they're around enough every time you encounter one, you're like, oh my gosh, I wish I had more stock. So I want to present to you an alternative solution. Now, this is not going to be a panacea. It's not going to work for every application you have. However, it is one that's going to allow you to deal with these type of situations without having to stock a ton of different latches with different colors and dead latches and spring latches. So this is what a 5-inch backset latch looks like. Now, as you can tell by the half moon here, this is a quick set latch and this is a tubular latch style. Now, the solution I want to present is actually based off a cylindrical style latch, commonly found on grade 1 and grade 2 locks. So it is going to be quite a bit different here. So this is your standard 2 3/4 inch backset cylindrical style latch. This is a dead latch in particular here. And as you can see, right, you line the two up and there's obviously a very large distance between the two. However, what you can do is you can actually just stock these two different extensions. Now, this is an extension to get you to 3 3/4 inch, and this is the extension that's gonna get you to that 5-inch backset. Now, the benefit of using these extensions is really twofold. One is you probably already stock grade 1 or grade 2, maybe even both, hardware. So you already have the hardware present, and the extensions aren't function specific, meaning you don't need to have an extension for a dead latch and an extension for a spring latch. It's just one extension is going to fit all of them. And the other beauty part is that the universal design that's found on the imported locks today is very, very similar. And I've seen these extensions work in a large number of different manufacturers' locks that are using the Schlage type design on the cylindrical latches. Now let's go ahead together and let's convert this 2 3/4 latch to a 5-inch backset using this extension. And all you have to do here, let me flip it around so you can see here. And essentially all you have to do is this, just like that. It is now a 5-inch backset. You just slide them together. And then when you use the latch over here, as you can see it works it. That's pretty simple, isn't it? Now, the best part is that you can just stock these extensions. They're very inexpensive. I'll put a link to the notes below. You can check them out. And so you can utilize your existing stock, which you know I'm a big fan of. And secondly, if you don't have a good selection of the 5-inch latch backsets that you want to stock, carry around in your van, you can offer the customer an immediate solution. Now, like I said at the beginning, this isn't a panacea. It's not going to fit on every application, meaning the hardware you're going to put on, maybe it's not in the right price point. Maybe it doesn't match all the other hardware close enough to make it work. Really nothing in this life's a panacea. However, I believe it's a good solution that you should be aware of and use as you see fit. I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you already utilize these extensions or is this news to you? And make sure that you include the hashtag Lockboss to automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away each week on Tuesday. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.